we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The PCM audio recorded on DVD is a 2-channel digital, stereo audio track. The Dolby Digital technology, which was originally called AC3, was developed specifically for multi-channel applications, including film sound and digital surround sound in the home. Dolby Digital technology uses a 5.1 or 6-channel format.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.